Hi, this is your Bible lesson for November 11th. They shall sing in the ways of the Lord. Psalm 138:5. The time when Christians begin to sing in the ways of the Lord is when they first lose their burden at the foot of the cross. Not even the songs of the angels seem so sweet as the first song of rapture, which gushes from the inmost soul of the forgiven child of God. You know how John Bunyan described it. He says, when poor Pilgrim lost his burden at the cross, he gave 3 great leaps and went on his way singing, "Blessed cross, blessed sepulchre, blessed rather be the man that there was put to shame for me." Believer, do you recollect the day when your fetters fell off? Do you remember the place when Jesus met you and said, "I have loved thee with an everlasting love. I have blotted out as a cloud thy transgressions, and as a thick cloud thy sins. They shall not be mentioned against thee any more forever." Oh, what a sweet season is that when Jesus takes away the pain of sin. When the Lord first pardoned my sin, I was so joyous that I could scarce refrain from dancing. I thought on my road home from the house where I had been set at liberty, that I must tell the stones in the street the story of my deliverance, so full was my soul of joy, that I wanted to tell every snowflake that was falling from heaven of the wondrous love of Jesus, who had blotted out the sins of one of the chief of rebels. But it is not only at the commencement of the Christian life that believers have reasons for song. As long as they live, they discover cause to sing in the ways of the Lord. And their experience of his constant love and kindness leads them to say, "I will bless the Lord at all times. His praise shall continually be in my mouth." See to it, brother, that thou magnifiest the Lord this day. Long as we tread this desert land, new mercies shall new songs demand. All right, so in this devotional, Spurgeon's talking about his joy, and really all Christians' joy at their salvation, and the fact that throughout life we have a lot to praise and thank God for his faithfulness. But what I want you to do today is to just write out your personal testimony and how you came to know Jesus Christ. And then when you're done with that, submit it to Dropbox. Thank you. Bye.